Namaste friends. Welcome to part 1 of our special series, Akhanda Bharat, the 24 divisions. In this episode, we explore the first 8 regions that, in ancient and early medieval times, shared deep cultural, spiritual, and civilizational links with Bharat. Let us travel back in time and rediscover those roots. Ancient Afghanistan was once part of the Gandhara and Cambodia regions, known for their Hindu and Buddhist heritage. It is the land of Shakuni from the Mahabharata and was once filled with stupas, monasteries, and thriving trade routes. Later, Greek, Arab, and Turk invasions reshaped its history. Afghanistan became independent in 1919, but its ancient bond with Bharat still remains through shared stories and archaeological sites. Iran's ancient name, Aryan, means land of the Aryans and reflects its early connection with Bharat. Indo-Aryan migrations, Zoroastrian traditions, and linguistic links all point toward a shared cultural origin. The Arab conquest in the 7th century changed its religious identity, yet Iran's older roots continue to show its deep civilizational ties with Bharat. Nepal has always shared a sacred bond with Bharat through Sanatan Dharma, Buddhism, and ancient trade routes. It was ruled by Hindu kings and later shaped by Buddhist scholars. During the British period, Nepal stayed a protected kingdom. In 1923, it was officially recognized as an independent nation. Nepal remained the world's only Hindu kingdom until 2008. Bhutan's culture, language, and spiritual traditions carry strong Indian influence. After the British era, the 1949 treaty restored earlier territories and strengthened the deep friendship between Bharat and Bhutan. Today, both nations work closely in security and development. Bhutan continues to follow Buddhism while honoring its ancient Vedic links. In old Indian texts, Tibet was known as Trivista, Tushar, or Tibeta. Tibet grew into a strong center of Buddhism shaped by Indian monks from Nalanda and Vikramshila. Though Tibet later came under Chinese control, its spiritual practices, mantras, and monasteries still reflect India's ancient wisdom. Cambodia was once home to Hindu kingdoms founded by Indian priests and travelers. Angkor Wat, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, remains the largest Hindu temple in the world. Although Buddhism later became dominant, Cambodian culture, dance, and architecture still show strong Indian influence. Indonesia's early empires, including Sriwijaya and Majapahit, were deeply influenced by Hindu and Buddhist traditions. Ramayana performances, Sanskrit names, and the Garuda emblem all highlight this ancient connection. Today, Indonesia is a Muslim-majority nation, but its cultural roots still carry the legacy of Bharat. Myanmar has shared centuries of connection with Bharat through Buddhism, Sanskrit, and temple architecture. During British rule, it was administered together with Indian territories before becoming independent in 1948. Though mostly Buddhist today, Myanmar's cultural and linguistic traditions still reflect its ancient ties with Bharat. These 8 regions once shared deep civilizational bonds with Bharat through culture, philosophy, and trade. And this is only the beginning. Join us in part 2 as we explore 8 more lands shaped by shared history and timeless connections. If you enjoyed this journey, do like, share, and